My name is Vikas Rane and I stay in Powai, Mumbai, in India. I had gone through series of health problems. First was my acute acute pancreatitis. It was like my pancreas was been attacked due to an infection, and I was admitted in the hospital for almost 9 days in ICU and 10 days in the special ward. After that, my diabetes shoot up. I had to take insulin thrice in a day with little bit food control and other medicines. I could reduce it only twice in a day, in the morning and in the evening. I used to take almost about 9 to 10 units at a time. So it was almost about 40, 40 IUs almost. Later on, I was not that very serious about the health. So later on, I developed some of the heart heart problem. It was basically when I was doing some exercises, I felt a pain in the left hand side and some jaw pain, which when I did the test like stress test or echo sound, that time we found some blockages. So I got treated the blockages almost about 1.5 years before. I had three blockages with 85% and 90%, which have been treated, and one blockage of 15%, which was to be treated by medicine. So I had undergone an angioplasty in the last year, about January 2012. After that, we had I had tried several series of other medications, but only it was just a prevention for the further damages. But I was not very happy with the medicines which I was taking because my weight was going on and on even after trying to have some diet. Internally, I was very much stressed. I could feel that I'm becoming tired and tired. Uh, then I came to know through my father, who has been regularly practicing Ayurvedic and yoga also, and my wife, she also told me that let's go and meet the doctors. And I came here in the month of March 2013. I met Dr. Smita Naram, and she did my pulse test, and it was shocking for her and me too that my condition is not good, not good at all. In fact, she had cautioned me to take extremely extra care for my health. In fact, the moment I met her, the pulse was being tested. She was very concerned. I could see into her face, and she holded my hands and told that, "See, I am telling you, like my brother, that you have to take very much extra care. It's of your health, which is like you have sugar problems, you have cholesterol problems, and on the top of it, like in coming future, your health is showing a very negative effect. Like you may also have paralysis, strokes, something like that in future." She told me that immediately you have to go in for Panchakarma. I I didn't knew about Panchakarma. She explained me in short, and then she guided to me the other doctors. And she told me that next 3 to 5 years you have to do Panchakarma at regular intervals, at least once in a year, and keep on the medicines, follow the doctor instructions, and do visit me in the next time when I come to the uh, to the Malar center. So keeping that thing in mind that doctor is very much concerned about me, so I should also take that much extra care. I started with follow up with Dr. Mayuri Surve. She's been into the Thana clinic, the Thana center, and she guided through me for Panchakarma. Uh, we did Panchakarma. In fact, I and my wife, we both together did Panchakarma together. In the first week itself, I could find extremely better results. Like Panchakarma is, they call it as toxic cleaning from the body. It's a cleansing process basically. I could feel that yes, something is happening, some good changes have been happening in the body, and I am feeling very much fresh from my mind, from my heart, from the daily routine work. I used to work almost about 14 hours in a day. Now, you'll not believe, with the same type of work, I am being able to cope up with my work very fast. In fact, I am much efficiently working right now, and I'm feeling much more better. Would take better decisions. Now this, all these things have been happening through this Panchakarma courses which I have done. We have the oil treatment massages, we have medicines going into it, but I could feel that there is a major change in my body. I had lost weight almost about 5 kilos, which I was not able to go down. In fact, it was 78 and I had pushed up to 82.5. Now, with doing very less of diet, believe me, I was not hungry anytime, and I was totally happy with what I am eating with the food diet which they have told, and I have come down to almost 76. It's almost 6.5 kilos of weight reduction, which is normally a better result in 3 months, basically in 2.5 months time. During this process, there were some changes which have been happening, like complete rest was to be taken in some few of the days. Yes, and I thought it has been necessary to be done. Now, when I did the checks recently, just a couple of hours before, I met the doctor, and when she tested my pulse, when she tested it, and again she repeated the test, that whether what has been written earlier before 3 months, whether it is right or wrong. This is the changes she is now telling you are completely almost 70% to 80% recovered. Your paralysis is not being shown into your pulses. Your sugar is well under control. Your cholesterol is quite under control, but it has to be again maintained in future. So my efforts last for 3 months, and efforts with doctors and the other team has been taken. It is really, it has worked. It has worked for me very nicely, and I have done fantastic results. To conclude, or you can say just to share this experience, I would rather say to the people that I was believing in allopathy. To be very frank, like if I take medicines, yes, I will live long. It was not that close. Now with the allopathy, yes, it is required for an emergency or for an instant one. But for if you have to think about your health for a longer duration, I think so. Allopathy will not work. For example, I started with my insulin from 4 units. Slowly it went on to 9 units. Now I am taking 2.5 to 3 units per single time. So almost about 6 units versus against to 40 units which I was taking earlier. Now this has helped me in a fantastic way. Now my sugars are also very much controlled by the new improved Indian norms. Whereas the norms earlier it was 120 fasting, and post lunch it was 140. Now I am been under control for 100 units for fasting. So it's a fantastic results. insulin dosage has come down, my weight has come down, and I'm feeling very much healthy. So now uh, I will request other members, like, you should always think about in for a long term future. And Ayurvedic, where I read in some of the books, it has been passed from our ancestors, from our saints, gurus. They have been practicing this for a very long time.